I'll have to reset.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs! Beware. Get those billows pumping!
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
security guard coming. 2.
It's fucking zombie.
Beware.
Bam!
Security guard coming. 3, 2, 1. Engineer
Sack
coming.
me, Swally.
3.
Bam!
Interrupt.
Bombs.
Beware.
Collide. Security guard coming. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Calling more security!
phase 2.
Holy cock. He gripped me. It's alright. Just take the portal guys.
Beware.
Attack me, Brandon.
We have it under control! Bam! Bam!
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat them out!
Bam!
Furnace engineer loose.
Make sure you MC.
Yeah, done. Releasing in 3, 2.
Beware.
Keep Shiva, come on. Get ready to switch. 3, 2, 1. Hot and switch.
1. Fire caller coming. 1.
Come on, 5 seconds.
Beware.
Good. Next one.
Okay, releasing 3, 2.
Beware. 3, 2.
Get on it.
Security guard coming. 2.
Look at your debuffs.
Fire caller coming. 2.
Beware.
Have you done the next MC?
No. Okay, releasing.
Brandon on you.
2.
Beware.
Alright.
5, 4,
Leg and shield.
3, 2.
It should disappear soon. Yep.
Security guard coming. 3.
Bam! Bam!
Don't ever nuke the slags there.
We're on cross only, right?
Yeah, cross.
Beware.
Reckon the other one away. Other one is
Cool,
at the
come.
third.
How the fuck are they getting the shields there?
Yeah, there was one in there.
Beware.
Okay, releasing that guard in 3, 2.
I've got shield wall up.
Beware.
Need help clear it. Killing.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Security guard coming. 4.
I'm gonna die. Keep me up.
I'm drinking! Hold on!
Sil, veggie me, please. Sil?
I already give you.
Beware.
You didn't.
Cooler coming.
It wasn't on me.
4.
That's macro to you, so I have no idea where it went. It's on cooldown.
Yeah, sorry. But
Full mana, boys.
Beware.
Let's go.
Don't be close to me.
4, 3,
next Primal, come on.
1.
Security guard coming. 5.
Beware.
Guess we killed both.
Gonna AM this.
One on the Primal.
Beware.
Fire cooler coming. 5.
Beware.
I really need help on my security guards. I've got too many on me.
I'll do that.
5, 4, 3.
Remember, on this one, we're bloodlusting. Everyone else is using their pots.
Security guard coming. 6.
Gonna rank 1 on this. Keep going, man.
When it's dead, kill all the ads. I'll pick up the boss.
We need another one.
Alright, kill it, kill it.
JK.
Keep yourselves alive. Personals. Everyone.
Fire cooler coming. 6. Phase 3.
Right, take the ads off
Clean
me
up.
if you can, Charlie. Big cleanup.
Watch the volatile.
Bam!
Rally.
Killed fire colors.
Rally up.
Do we rest envy?
I've already rezzed him. Want the boss when you can.
I'll revive next.
Is
Just
that all
come
the
to
crap
the
we
right.
have down?
if you fixated. I think that's everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Good,
Yeah.
boss.
Just go nuts on the boss. It's all about staying alive now. You need to call cooldowns whenever you can, Charlie, as well. It's going to be big damage.
Use all the stacks, please.
I've got the boss. Can AMS the dot as well. That's why they sacked me. Moving the bus.
I got a fox healer and stuff I want, so just say.
Make sure you spread it when you fixate it to AoE damage to people around you.
Brandon, attack me, Charlie.
Move, 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 move.
Move the
Fast.
bus, quick.
Pause.
We
I've
almost
got the bus.
drank.
Next one, Raven Light Trank with
Swally
Sheep
sack me.
No, Sheep doesn't have them. Just Trank this next one. Go drink my manatee, man.
I'll do next with him.
Halfway there, guys. Try and keep yourselves alive. Move the bus.
Brandon, attack Charlie again.
Bam! Bam!
AMing next.
Hellstones. Tonics.
We have 2 rests.
I've got the bus. Stay alive. Use your personals.
Smoke bomb next, please.
Smoke bomb now.
I have too much
Give the
mana.
boss. Give the boss.
Smiley sack, Charlie.
Easy boss,
Oh
guys.
my, guys.
Yes, sniped! Woohoo!
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh, nice.
What's
Rip!
Man, I was on fucking 90% mana
Yeah,
for the
piece
whole
of
thing.
cake. Oh yeah, vodka piece of cake.
Yeah! I
Where's
told
my
you.
fucking gun?
trinkets, lads!
Oh! Trinket!
To my furnace! Where
You
have
realize
I
that's not your main anymore though, right?
Whoa.
Fuck off!
Intruders down!
Good job, guys. Only the big black hand left.
Great.
He was logging.